Well, got a bunch of smaller stuff sawed up. I don't see a point in cutting more up here if I'm bringing it down here. You know what I mean? Because a lot of this is going to need split and cut again and whatnot. I got these two pieces sawed off. We'll put the chipper back on. We'll just mulch like all this small stuff. Because it's, I mean, you can be out here for a couple of hours cutting all this small stuff up, but so yeah, I got 3 big pieces to pull, and yeah, I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna have this sitting here because it's not sitting real pretty. I see this tongue just sliding right off. But once I get all this, I'll have the chipper on. I can just hook a chain to that, and then we'll back it up into there. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll leave it right here, and I don't know. I'll know more when I do more. But, yeah. I will see you guys back here. So I'm going to put the chipper back on. Now, all the small shit. That way I ain't lugging this thing around. I can just bring the 2255. Just bap, bap, bap. Most of this is sawed up. I'm gonna have to wait until I get the splitter back here so I can do some damage on this stuff here. Pull one side off, put it right next to the trailer. Got most of it sawed up. I sawed till I ran out of gas right there. Another 7 foot, 7.5. I was going to go ahead and drag that other side down, put it here, but it'd be right the damn way. So I just figured, because this will be, all this is overload for sure. But anyway, I'll see y'all on the next one. We're back there splitting and getting.